hassle with plaiting your hair. You can get a fucking knot. With great age comes great brutality. Very fucking brittle. Just like, I'm going to wash it, but if I wash it when it's matted, it'll end up being more matted. Do you notice that's always bald people and people with really short hair who give you advice about how to brush your hair? Never trust a skinny chef. Never trust a bald cobbler. Never trust a fucking Irish. See, on a bike, sometimes you get clumps just from the wind where it's tied up. Other times you get a squish bug. And those fuckers can turn into super glue. How often do you wash your hair? Whenever I get migraines. See, the thing is, you get a greasy build-up in your scalp. It stops the heat from escaping. So you end up getting severe headaches. So you just have to get rid of the grease from your scalp. Otherwise I wouldn't bother. I mean, yeah, if you live in a coal mine or a dirty environment, you may need to wash your hair more often, but other than that, just day-to-day use, it's your scalp that needs washing, not your hair. Debugging, now and again. Bit of moisture can help. Yes, there's always time for lubrication. Ha 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 ha. This is water. Yeah. Tea tree. Aloe vera. Spearmint. And a bit of moisturiser. Oh, and some vegetable oil. Really, really good for your skin. Like if you live in a house with gas, you're going to get dry skin. And that sort of stuff is really good mixture for your skin. Because the tea tree oil helps to stop any itching. That's your very medical properties. See, that expression is always time for lubrication. Always sticks in my head from that black guy in, I don't know what his name is. Movie called Evolution. Starred David Duchovny. Fucking hilarious. They had to go rectally to remove a bug. I want some ice cream. What flavour do you want? I don't care. It's for my ass. Always time for lubrication. Right. That is done. Now I can go and have a wash. Yeah, the top is extremely fucking bleached white now. That's after spending a day in the blazing sunshine with that prick trying to fix the bike. And my bath looks really, really fucking gay. I put a load of aloe vera spearmint in there, along with these is caffeine drink some fucker gave me. I don't want to drink caffeine drinks, but it is good for your skin. So I dumped it in the bath as well. Looks like a soup. Cannibalism.
No, don't do like that. You'll rip it to shreds.
So say if all the people that spend thousands a year on their hair, I buy one bottle, like 1 litre of cheap shampoo per year. That's the most I'll spend per year. It's simple. I dilute it. You don't need to put big dollops on. You dilute it about 10%, like 10% shampoo, 90% water. Then you just wash your hair twice with it. That's it. You don't need tons of the stuff. If you know how to wash your hair, you don't have to use tons of products. Simple. You put a little bit in first, massage it in, don't scratch it in, rinse it out. That breaks down the grease. Then you do the same again, and that gives you a lather, which washes your hair. If you wash your hair when it's still damp, it'll go through easier. Mine hasn't been cut by anyone else since prison, which was about 10 years ago. And the fucking skank bitch layered it. Safe to say she never came back to prison. Yep, getting thinner by the day. Yeah, that's age.